Giving out Morris on the attack. And Roger takes a red shot minute. For against the here is King Alvarez. And they take in and out, rebound the Raja. Getting out the Osho. And the one to the vision, and there's a on the rookie. Out the Jr. and there's a foul. Rebound by Pinocho. There's on the second one. They lift again. Second slap. Smoking is Galiano. There's against his back here. There's losing down to the win. And it's a yes, an easy point down. The shot denied while they do defense. Guarded by Savage. They miss. Comes the rebound. Boys out first possession goes to Vinci down the leg up and takes the shot, one goal. Here's the basket to the space, Alba with a jump shot, takes it 2 points. Alba against Yada is passing down, got it. They are with the step back and Victor the win. On the other side to the Slayers, takes away. Here's the Morris. Moving now to the side, down low to the Slayers, takes it 2. On the other side, it is got it now with a running shot, stopping. There is one high. Being a players with his players on the good back. Here's Kojo off to got it with a bullet jumper, takes it 2 points. Moving now the ball and it's from Bob. Jump shot is good. Here's Matamai, takes a 3. The last game off to Mora with it. Rebound by Kojo is on the ground, giving now the right side, takes 2 points. On the other side, the Estrellas with a quick answer. He's the rebound now by the Estrellas. He's round the lane off and left the layup spin. This ball now guarded by the Estrellas. Creates some space on the Osho using the glass pitcher. Giving out, he was solid, takes the ball from downtown 3. On the quick answer by but going down to the side, here's Taylor got it with a reverse play over 2. Get the 5 second slap in this first quarter. Here is AJ Miranda. That was the lead. Giving out Solis on the attack. And there's a 2 goals for E-Boy Solis. Game clock. There's Ramsdale down low on the ball out. Creates some space on the Osho with a Victor Brothers get. Rebound by Mora. Here's the transition of the Osho on the layup. 6-0 run down play. Here's Mora on the transition. Get the 2 points quickly now. With a good start in the second quarter. Here is AJ Miranda on the move. Belaya out of the Rojo takes a red shot minute. Moving now to the side, here's Iverson with a leading jump shot, rebound, the Belaya, quick back is good. Here's right now, leads the baseline. JR down low, there's Mora once again. Miranda, all the Iverson, all the space. The shot denied, it's by Mora, here's Osho on the line, 3 on consideration, Mora, down low off the Iverson, looking for his teammates. Here's AJ Miranda, practice the play, knocks it around from down there. This time, back for the rebound now. Grabs the ball here by Yata and also Perroto down the lane, goes all the way to the basket for 2 points. The side, Perroto fires the three, out one goal, here's the basket, off of the win, on the shot, and there's the rebound. And get the loop, you see the steam. Fan on the shot clock, giving out the ball out. Found on the baseline, and catches it now. Already for the strong Mora. Getting out inside, Solis with a It's Rowan finding space inside. This is the basket deflected. This one is now given to the Samba on the fly, takes it up for 2 points. Off to John, here's Garoto. With that, the steal. Here's Onyala, down and now. Galing on the bring up, makes it 2 points. That's a beautiful transition on the play. Here's Garoto with a quick answer. The shot block on the push. The shot misses. Rebound by Solis. Here's Verano over the score. Costello likes it up for 3 and knocks it down. Here's Garoto on the other side, getting the 2 points. Here's the Los Players with an easy play. 1 goal. Shot clock is off now. Here's the Garoto with a wide open play. Knocks it down on the dribble. 10 seconds left. Here is the rebound, giving Yama Yana on the slide and get the basket in 1. Basket is good for Gus. Steal 11-point lead for Yankee 10. Here is J.R. Radish. High space inside and shot presence is to the Reyes. Giving out all his time to go through this. Here's Mora with a quick answer. This Garrett is the Reyes on the second one. They miss again. And on the bounce, down the back down to Onyala. Here is Garrett step on the break. Shot denied by Solis. Second lane and the steal by Robinson. Very good defense. On the player here is Marshall. Looking to spin on the attack. The lead is good by J.R. Radish. Get the first. Here's Solis with the ball game in and out. Rebound to Raya. Going on the shot block. Here's Miranda. Right side to Vladia. Tries to push. It's long. They miss. That's the rebound. And that's good. Off the Mora. Here's the foul. Side. Here's the whistle. Now to the Reyes. Came up short of the rebound. Gets the rebound. Here's Gary. Out the Osho. And there's a offensive foul. Out to the Wen. That's it down on the rookie. Out to J.R. and there's a foul. Ball. And get the 2 points. There's a triple by Cortez. Coming with the rebound. Here's Yata fights the goodness on the other side and getting the lead. That's a beautiful. Great going here on the side of the Alonso. Here's the steal again to the Reyes. Down low. We put 2 points now. Here's Gary. Trying to push for forward for Cedric. 5 to shoot. Forcing the completion. An air ball. Rebound. And get the 2 points. Cedric looking for his teammates. Taking pace. Passing now on the drive. On to the Reyes. On right to attack the steal. Here's Akiato now, getting the space of the Onyala, looking for Cedric Parsically. And this on the 3 ball and get the 3 ball. He's heading out play. Here's a steal by Mora. Here's Mora down. And get the basket in the one and there's but it's withdrawn for Roscon Bora. Here's Nandana with an easy basket for 3 points. Aldo Onyala fires the 3. Shot 1 goal. Rebound by Garoto. There's a foul penalty. Here is Cedric Yuji, guarded by Iverson Apiata. 10 seconds left. dribbling violation. Here on the side of Kensington. There's Mora and hits it now. Nascimento, the dribble, fight on the shot clock. The score pass, he fires a three, and knocks it down. Points already for Mora, he got a 51.7 small game is Galliano. There's two windows for Josh Galliano. Losing down now to the win, and it's on the shot clock. They are challenged with passing down on the breakaway. Get an 80 points down. The shot denied, what a good defense. On the gas rate, here is Cedric. Fires at the corner from downtown. Three! Coming down with 9.3 for Kensington. That's it inside. The Reyes rates on space. The shot misses. What a good Yazoo there. Got it. The rebound. It is Galliano. It's Reyes off the Miranda. Fires a three. Knocks it down and getting that. Cedric is in the spin. For the Yazoo in the triple. That's a too strong. Goes the rebound by Miranda. Here is again. Out trying to on the transition. The steal by Uzi, what a good defense, goes for that, off the body, on that try, makes it up for 2 points. Yeah, 20 points down from the other body, there is Berrocho, on that triple, and knocks it down. Here is Gale, second. Here is Aiden Miranda with a quick answer. 90 seconds on the shot clock. Here's Berrocho, here's Miranda with the same spot, fires from downtown, three!
Diba?
Ford on the right side, finds the shoot, Mangala, jump shot is good. Getting the... Here is Aiden. Using this big by Solis, getting down on the left side. Here's Galliano, knocks it up for 3 and knocks it down. Side, here's Cedric on the fake off the Porsche. It takes the 3-ball with a quick for the red Porsche. Here is Kimboy Solis, here's Miranda once again on the 3-ball, knocks it down from down. Get the 21 points down already. Here is Cedric, looking for his teammates. And on the shot clock. On the baseline, they are calling for their passage down the field. Guarded by Cedric. And getting the foul. Going to the line to shoot 3. Again, Miranda get a 21 points down this full game here is JR off the spin. Behind the Golden State. Last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes in this ball game. Here is Uzi now on the E5 to shoot. There's Cedric. What they will do on the drive. 45 seconds left in this 4-game final quarter with 3.3 for Alonso Live. Here is Miranda. On the move, giving down to Galliano, down going to Solis, giving to the right side, and shoot is Berrocho with one-handed. They miss, there's the rebound for Berrocho, and still 3-point lead. Here is Kensington, trying to tie this ball game. They are calling it, pushing it through, and they pass it now off to Miranda. 14 seconds left. Guarded by Uzi. Then on the shot clock, using the screen, Milano fires the play. The lucky bounce middle, comes the rebound, this Kosho, off the valley. This guy out of the and hits it down. Against the 97-20. Here is the side of Alonso Myers. They're trying to get the lead in this volume before the end of fourth quarter. Here is Agata on the baseline. And the Browns are moving. One timeout remaining. Here is the Ingal Gagano off of the water and hit the basket and one. They shoot one big roll. And there's a foul was called. Warning to ground out. On the spin for John Belocho. Here is Gayardoli with 14 seconds on the possession. Giving out the hit with 2.8 for the Rangers Myers. Off the JR, 10 seconds remaining. Vizcali for the tie. The layup misses. Gets the rebound by Ganyano.